nandito na naman tayo for another math tutorial. Usually, mag-solve tayo ng, kung mahaba ang solusyon, iisang problema lang. Pero kung maiksi lang ang solusyon, two problems, usually two problems. So, China, USA, and Europe are the countries with the most number of cellular subscribers in the world. Together, they contribute 34.8% of the total world cellular subscribers. If China is 3.1% less than 4 times the percentage of the world's subscribers in Europe, and the percent of the world's subscribers in USA is 4.3% more than the percent of the world's subscribers in Europe, find the percent of the world's subscribers in China. Now, dito, sa solution natin, we will let C as the percentage subscribers in China, U as the percentage subscriber in USA, E as the percentage subscriber in Europe. Now, how to solve this one? Of course, ang required natin is the world subscriber in China, the percent world subscriber in China. C, yung hinahanap natin. So, dito sa, maka-form tayo ng equations base sa mga statement dito sa problems. So, dito, first, C, together, they contribute 34.8% of the world total cellular subscribers. That means, ang percentage ng China plus the percentage of USA plus the percentage of Europe is equal to 34.8%. So, ganito rin natin i-represent. C plus U plus E is equal to 34.8%. Or, if you will change it to the decimal number, you have to divide it by 100. It will be 0.348. So, meron na tayong equation 1. Now, pangalawa, if China is 3.1% less than 4 times the percentage of the world's subscriber in Europe, so the world subscriber in Europe is represented as E. E. Therefore, ang sabi dito, if China is equal to 3.1 less than, so 3.1 less than 4 times, so 4 times the percentage of the world. So 4 times the percentage of subscriber in Europe. Ito, so 4E less than 3.1% minus 0.031, sorry. Dito talaga kailangan natin intindihin ito kasi minsan, yung iba, ang ginagawa nila, inuna nila ang 3.1%, tapos minus 4 times the percentage of the world. Hindi. Kasi, 3.1% less. That means, halimbawa, meron akong 1 peso, tapos naging less ng 50 peso, 50 cents. So, ganun ang nangyari dito, 3.1 less than 4 times the percentage of the world per subscriber in Europe. So, 4E minus 0.031, ito na naman equation to natin. Nakabuo tayo ng equation to base dito sa statement. Now, pwede pa tayo makabuo ng another equation, and the percent of the world's subscriber in USA, so, in USA, which represents as U, is equal to 4.3% more than the percent of the world subscriber in Europe. World subscriber in Europe is E, so 4.3%, so plus 0.43 or 4.3%. So we have equation 3. Ang ginagawa natin dito, ang percentage, divide natin sa 100 para maging decimal number, para madali na siya, mas madali siya i-solve. Ngayon, base dito sa unang natin, equation 1, C plus U plus E, which is equal to 3.348. Therefore, i-substitute natin yung value ng C Kasi hanapin natin either percentage ng C or U or E. So, pero of course, ang hinahanap natin ng China. So, bago natin marating yung China, isolve muna natin yung iba. So, C, meron tayong value ng C which is 4A minus 0.031. So, substitute natin yung C, 4A minus 0.031 plus ang value ng U which is equal to from the equation 3, E plus 0.043. So, plus E plus 0.043 plus E. So, dito, isang variable na lang E and E. So, masolve na natin yan. Combining like terms, 6E therefore is equal to 0.336. Therefore, E, the percentage of subscriber in Europe is equal to 0.056 or 5.6%. Now, dito, meron na tayong value ng E, masolve na natin ang sa China. Kasi meron natin sa equation to, which is equal to 4A minus 0.031. So, substitute natin ang value ng E, which is 0.056 minus 0.031. C, therefore, the percentage of subscriber in China is equal to 0.193 or 19.3%. Now, meron na tayong E, meron tayong C, masolve natin ang E. Isolve lang natin ang E kahit hindi siya required para ma-check natin kung correct ang answer natin. So, from equation 3, we can substitute also the value of E. U is equal to E plus 0.043. E therefore is equal to 0.056 plus 0.043 is equal to 0.099 which is equal to 9.9%. Now, mayroon na tayo, kompleto na, mayroon ng Europe, China, and USA. I-check natin yan kung tama ba yung answer natin. So, from this equation, pwede natin i-substitute yung mga values niya. C plus U plus E is equal to 0.348. O, substitute natin yung value ng C which is 0.031, 0.193 plus an U which is equal to 0.099 plus ang E which is 0.056 which is equal to 0.348 or 34.8% dito sa side, sa kabila rin is 34.8%. That means, yung answer natin na C, E, at saka U are correct. So, the percentage of the world subscriber in China, yun ang talagang final answer natin is 19.3%.